Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of C Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. It is summer and we've got so many fresh ingredients and produce in season right now, including garlic scapes. I love garlic scapes with the long curly ends that kind of blossom into a garlic bulb, and they are edible. They are wonderful in pretty much anything. You can chop them up, you can stir fry them, you can throw them into a soup, puree them, or you can have them barbecued, which is what we're gonna do today. And we're also gonna blitz them up into a fun pesto. So today I'm giving you garlic scapes two ways. So I'm gonna be making a garlic scape pesto with barbecued garlic scapes. If you've never had a garlic scape before, they're kind of like a mixture between like a cooked asparagus / green bean, and they are wonderfully packed with a garlic flavor, mild, so you're not going to get that heat that you would get in a garlic clove or in a garlic bulb, with a touch of sweetness. And they're so nice. I love seeing them at farmers markets, which is where I got mine, and they're super tasty, super easy to prepare. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, we have our lovely ingredients here. We're gonna start off with some pasta dough, whatever pasta you wanna use, dried or fresh. We've got 2 bunches of fresh garlic scapes, lemon juice, kosher salt, extra virgin olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. Yum. So we're gonna begin by chopping the ends off of our garlic scapes. Any yellow bits we're gonna take off, and we're gonna take off the bulbs there, and then we're gonna separate our garlic scapes out, add some extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper, and toss it together. We're gonna be throwing this on the grill in just a little bit. For now, we'll start off the pesto. So I'm going to be grating about 1/3 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to be adding those garlic scape bulbs in there. I'm also going to be adding some beet greens in there as well, about 5 cups. 1/3 of a cup of hazelnuts, and then we have our cheese as we did earlier, and about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna go ahead and blitz that all up together till it's nice and smooth and creamy. We're gonna then grill our garlic scapes for almost 10 minutes, depending on how well you want it to be cooked. Place the pesto in a bowl, and we're gonna toss it with your favorite type of pasta, just like so. Lastly, just toss together with your grilled garlic scapes here. And there you have it, a perfect summer meal. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see everyone next week. Bye!
Yeah.